Highly Unique Radio is the #1 online station serving you the best in hip-hop, R&B, reggae. Highly Unique Radio, where the unique listen.
This your boy Stacey Adams. I got an album out that's just in the street now called Love You Like the 90s album, which was produced by Angelo Ray. Happy Days, featuring Anthony Hamilton, is currently impacting radio as we speak.
Let's take a break and go celebrate. Leave behind all the stress and clean away.
I got a record called I'll Beg
For your love.
I got a record called What a Man Needs to Hear featuring Black Pearl.
I used to watch you perform back at Sweet Auburn Lounge 11 years ago, 12 years ago. Everybody kept saying something different about that guy, but he's not like these guys. He's not the same artist as these guys.
I stay in the streets with my music. It's more expensive, it's harder, but it's guaranteed.
This your boy Stacey Adams. It ain't unique unless you with Highly Unique Radio, baby. Let's get it.